In this lesson, we are going to revisit what we learnt in part 1, as well as learn how to sing along to the second verse and chorus. We will also learn how to play 2 more instrumental sections and perform the whole piece from start to finish. So, let's get started.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm going to play a rhythm and then leave a space for you to copy back. I'm going to play these rhythms on the G note, the 3rd string. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's have a look at the first part we need to work on. We've got a counting. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rest before we start. Then we've got a crotchet for 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 crotchets. And it's the same in the next bar. We've got the G note. We're going to play this on. And underneath I've put I, M, I, M. That's to do with the fingers. I, M, I, M. We're going to walk the fingers. If you look at the diagram, it shows how we label our fingers. Okay, so let's have a listen to the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to play that on the G note. Here we go. Rhythm. We've got quavers this time. The notes are joined together here. They're half a beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, we're practicing this on the G note, and we're going to play I, M, I, M, I, M, I, M. It's going to be walking those fingers on the 3rd string. Let's have a listen to the rhythm. Okay, let's play it on the 3rd string. Have your thumb ready on string 6. Here we go. We're now going to try playing a bar of quavers followed by a bar of crotchets. So I'll have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a listen. Okay, let's play that on the 3rd string, the G note again. I, M, alternating those fingers to help us play this and keep to the speed of the click.
Here is a reminder of what we learned last week. Can you remember how to play it? Here is the verse. Now let's remind ourselves of the chorus. Now let's learn the link section, which uses quavers, half-beat notes. Have a listen to Mr. Morley, pause and practice, then see if you can play along. See how Mr. Morley uses walking fingers to play quickly. Now let's learn the ending section. As before, watch, practice, then play along. Remember that it is always a good idea to sit up straight when playing the guitar. Now let's put it all together and sing and play the whole of Let's Dance. The structure is: sing the first verse and chorus, play the verse and chorus plus the quaver section, sing the second verse and chorus, play the verse and chorus, play the ending. Remember to pause and rewind any section of the video to help you practice at home.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance. Hey baby, if you're all alone, maybe you'll let me walk you home. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more WCET celebration pieces coming your way soon.